baby, I've been feeling so good lately. Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah. Never knew that I would put myself out there. Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art. Never knew I had it in me. My canvas it stayed blank for so long, but I paint with all colors now.
Yeah guys, ngiyanamukela kwi-vlog yami namhlanje. Oh, uthando lungaka. Yo, uthando lungaka. Ngiyabonga nge 500 subscribers. Oh, ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga. So, kule vlog ngiplana ukuthi kube i-weekly vlog. Ngizobona ukuthi izohamba kanjani. If njani kuzoba spend a few days with me. Namhlanje Monday ngiyangena emsebenzini. Angeke ngize ngivlog emsebenzini. Especially uma bese kuvula shop, angeke ngize ngivlog just kuzoba yilokho lunch but yeah, ngizoze nginibone futhi mangabe sengishayisa. Ngithembe nizoyi enjoy le vlog, ngakhohlwa ukulike, ni comment, niphinde
Channeling all this energy, I'm making use of these feelings inside. Cause if I don't express it, I don't really explode. Heart beating out of my chest. Yeah, everything I wanted for so long, but I pay with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my music. It's you.
Seyishayile guys, ishayile. Sengizoya ejimini manje bese ngiye endlini.
Run it up. She liked me better when I was coming up. Nowadays we don't do a lot, but I done enough. Button down this button up. Hey, long days of a hustler. So baby, when you come see me, don't f*** up. Shots flowing, I'm a son of a gun. Still going at a hell of a run. Not finishing the plot thicken, so the story goes. I've been one of them ones. Still don't know if she in love with the kid or the man.
Sanibonani guys, namhlanje Friday. Manje ngifuna ukuyowasha ikhanda. Yo guys, ikhanda lami nginenkwethu yezwa. Angisakhona ngisho ukuyigeza. After lapho ngizohambisa imoto eCarwash ngoba last ngicine ngasakhona ngoyihambisa. Then mangibuya ke bese ngiya emsebenzini ngingena ngo4 to 9. Yeah. Sizokwenza lokho manje sambili ke. Isikhathi siyangishaya manje u1 weba eCarwash but
in the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time.
Yeah, guys, sengathi kuvilaphi ke manje. Ngathi kuvilaphi ke. Ngicedile ke manje esambeni seCarwash. Oh, kusavilaphi guys ke Carwash. Yo! Yavilaphi ke Carwash. Wema, phansi ngathola umngani. Uyohlala lapha kodwa ngibona ngoba
love you.
Let's go.
And baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. And baby, let me love you, love you, love you, yeah, love you, yeah, love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my
izolo bekuyibirthday ya one of my colleagues. Angimthengelanga ngisho iswidi bakithi. Ngifuna ukumthengela intonyana. Ngizomsurprise ngimthengele mhlawumbe i-cake and i-snack. Ngiyazi ukuthi uzokujabulela bandla. Ukujabuliswa izinto ey'ncane kakhulu, so nalokhu kuzobe kusho okukhulu. Ngizomnikeza khona mase sishayisile-ke.
So high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah.
Beka mfiyat. Ngimthengele ngimthengela nyom. Mala yikho ayikho imali. Bese ngimthengela niyo. Yeah, into engichazayo-ke ukuthi ngifake lezi zinto lezi la. Angeke azabone ngakubona. Ngizositshela ukuthi vele kwami. Enye into bandla yazi ngifuna ukushow up for abantu yabo njengaye kanje. She's one of abantu share ama videos wami. Mangicela ukuthi guys please share my videos share nje ukuthi umuntu share ama videos wami kuma status mhlawumbe wakhe lokho kusho lukhulu. So nami ngona short for abantu abakanjalo empilweni yami ngifuna bazi ukuthi ngiyababona and ngiya appreciate. Hey, naike. Happy birthday. Asambe